Right, Jabula Bush Camp, King Big 5 Game Reserve. Wonderful, wonderful campsite. Really nice, lovely owners, magnificent ablutions, hot water, really, really good. We enjoyed our time here. Right, we found Zebra Bush Camp, so we're going to go down here. It's no entry, residents only, so we're a resident. Let's go and see what's happening. Right, this is where we are, Erasmus Bush Camp, King Big 5 Game Reserve. Right, there we are, Pangwa Bush Camp. There is a gate at the entrance to the property that they ask if you go in and out, please close it. It has got a lock on, they give you a key, just keep it locked. Pangwa Bush Camp. Right, so here's the entrance to Klipspringer Kloof. When you book, they'll let you know the procedure for the gate. There is something that you have to do, but if it's a problem, the owner can always let you in, no problem. Right, so that goes down to the campsites. So we're camping this weekend at Leeugedacht Conservancy, and the campsite that we're camping in is called Rora Tau. Really a wonderful campsite. We have private ablutions, we have electric power, so it's going to be a great weekend.